going on, everybody? We are back with another unboxing and review video. Today we have the child life-size figure from Sideshow Collectibles. So of course, this is the sleeve. We have the child here, Sideshow at the bottom. We have Disney Plus and Star Wars, the child, on the side. Take the sleeve off for you in just a second and show you the details on the box. Alright, this is the front of the box. You have Star Wars, the Mandalorian, the child, then life size down here in the bottom left corner. Have him playing with the kids on the right side here. This is the back, the concept art. Again, Mandalorian and the child and Sideshow here at the bottom. And then this is the left side of the box. So we're going to open them up, make sure there's no damage, and then we'll review them for you guys. Be right back. Alright, we have opened them up. There's been no damage that I can see, and of course we're going to start with the base. So here you have the bottom of the base, says Star Wars, the Mandalorian and the child, life-size figure. It's a limited edition, not numbered. Little Sideshow logo here in the bottom corner, and then the Mandalorian with the pram. And then you have the siding on the base, and then here's the top and the little knob which his foot will go into. And now, you have Baby Yoda himself. And then he just has the hole on the bottom of the foot, his right foot. Alright, you do need quite a bit of pressure to push his foot down into the key and secure it. I've done a little bit of posing here to the bottom of the robe, just moving it around to hide his feet, because in the show you actually don't get to see his feet. But for those who of course seen other reviews, you can see his little feet. The fabric of the cloth of his robe is really nice. As many people know, the hair was actually hand punched and feels really soft. I believe his eyes are glass eyes. And around the collar here, there's a pretty thick wire so that you can pose it, which I've done just a little bit of. And he has rosy red cheeks. Sorry about that. The camera battery died. As I was saying, you get the little knob here from the Razor Crest. And they put the little magnet key on the bottom, which goes into his right hand, which they give you the ability to either display it with or without. And then it just pops right on. So overall, I'm really happy with the way that it looks. I think it looks like he's straight out of the show. And for me, this was the better option in terms of Sideshow or Hot Toys. And I will be taking the camera off the tripod here and giving you guys some closer up shot of the detail of the piece. Alright, thank you for watching, and like always, leave a like, comment of what you think about this piece, if you got it or did not, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.